Welcome to English Boost TV, where you learn real English through practical conversations. In today's episode, you will take a complete English level test, including listening, vocabulary, grammar, and speaking. At the end, you'll discover your level from beginner to advanced. Let's begin.
David, I want to know my real English level, not just beginner or intermediate.
Perfect. Today, we'll test your skills step by step and give you a clear level. Part 1. Listening, intermediate speed. Listen carefully. I was planning to go out this evening, but I ended up staying home because I was too tired after work. Question: why did he stay home?
Because he was tired after work.
Correct. Part 2. Listening. I was going to call you earlier, but I got caught up with something. Let's catch up later, yeah? What happened?
He wanted to call, but he was busy and wants to talk later.
Excellent. Part 3. Vocabulary and meaning. Choose the correct meaning. Exhausted means A. A little tired. B. Very tired. C. Excited.
B. Very tired.
Correct. Catch up means A. Run fast. B. Meet and talk after some time. C. Stop talking.
B. Meet and talk after some time.
Great! Part 4. Grammar and structure. Complete the sentence. If more time, I would learn another language. A. Have. B. Had. C. Will have.
B. Had.
Perfect. That's a conditional sentence. Part 5. Speaking task, level test. Now answer this. Describe your typical day in detail.
I wake up, go to work, and come home.
Good. Now improve it.
I usually wake up early, go to work, and spend my evening relaxing or studying.
Great. Now make it more advanced.
I typically wake up early, head to work, and in the evening, I either relax or focus on improving my English skills.
Excellent. That shows progress. Part 6. Thinking in English. Answer quickly without translating. What are your plans for this weekend?
I'm planning to meet friends and maybe watch a movie.
Perfect. Natural and fluent. Final scoring system. Now let's calculate your level. Give yourself points. Listening, part 1 and 2, /4 points. Vocabulary, /2 points. Grammar, /2 points. Speaking, /4 points. Total, /12 points. Here is criteria anyone can test his level of English. Level criteria, CEFR style. A 1. Beginner, 0 to 3 points. Understands very basic words. Can say simple sentences. Needs slow speech. A 2. Elementary, 4 to 6 points. Understands simple conversations. Can answer basic questions. Makes simple sentences. Yellow circle. B1. Intermediate, 7 to 9 points. Understands main ideas. Can speak in full sentences. Handles daily conversations. Orange circle. B2. Upper intermediate, 10 to 11 points. Understands fast speech. Speaks clearly with detail. Uses natural expressions. C1. Advanced, 12 points. Understands almost everything. Speaks fluently and naturally. Thinks directly in English.
I think I scored around 8 points.
That means you are B1, intermediate. Great job! Final advice by level A1 to A2. Focus on basic sentences and vocabulary B1. Practice speaking daily and listening more. B2. Improve fluency and natural expressions. C1. Focus on accuracy and advanced vocabulary.
Now I understand my level clearly.
That's the first step to improvement. Great job! Now you know your English level and how to improve it. Keep practicing every day and move to the next level. Thanks for listening to English Boost TV. See you in the next episode.